Hey everybody, this video got a master lock number 930, and weather guard's kind of screwed up on it, but we're gonna see if we can pick it anyway. And then give it some bottom of the keyway action, and we will go with the Secure Pro hook here. All set now. Okay, I think I've gotten kind of rotation at least twice here. It feels like I'm setting pins, so probably a bunch of spools in here. Okay, there's kind of rotation again, and we're open, so there's at least 2 spools in here, if not 3. But let's gut it and find out here. Don't make me open the package. Just fell off the package. There we go. Alright, just got it freed from the packaging here, and grab a pinning tray. And we need I think these are usually 7/64, sure enough. Kind of a fun pick. I like these Secure Pro picks too. You get a set of it's like 10 or 12 picks, and like $3 on Banggood. Now the retaining nut comes out through the weather guard, so I wonder if I can push it back through and get that back together. Give that a try. Oh, it's off. Okay. Come on. Jeez. Yeah, the hard part's supposed to be picking it. There we go. Yeah, so we have a crimped on tail piece here.